Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got the Nasdaq here pumping up about 2.5% from the overnight session. Really nice movement after we broke this downtrend from Friday. We rallied up from there. Overnight session, we came down, touch point of control, and resumed up from there. We have two trend lines here. So this first one is this movement upwards. The second one is the primary trend line. So we got a couple of reactions off of it. Interested to see if we lose this one here, we'll probably come down and test this one. Currently above Valley Area High from the overnight. It looks like we are pretty overextended, but we can definitely continue on. Not sure what the target is. We have the high of yesterday right there. And then Valley area, if we can blow past this, we have point of control and Valley area high from Friday. So pretty interesting. We're having some good movement here. Delta, it's the pre-market, so it's not as reliable, but we failed to make a higher high thus far. Just watching here. I'm going to try to be patient. Obviously, this can break down really easily. A lot of people trapped. Just going to look at the TPO chart here real quick. This is what yesterday looked like. Could say this was a poor high. I'm not big on TPO, but I do look at it occasionally. So we have point control up here that we could possibly go and try to test. Markets have opened up here. Just gonna try to be patient today and wait for my chart to load. Goodness. You can see we are moving up though. So we resumed off of this trend line, made a higher high. Wow, this is just terrible. Chart's not loading. Yes, is moving up. I gotta get a new computer. It's just ridiculous here. Zooming up here. Like I said, though, we are pretty overextended, so not too keen on trying to buy this right now. Let's see some consolidation. That took forever to load, goodness. Alright, so it looks like we're going to high from yesterday. Looking pretty strong. So if we break this secondary uptrend, could be a good area to short, come back down to this maybe Valley area high. Let's see if we resume off this primary uptrend. It's a pretty big gap below us. Dollar's down, 10 years down, which is good for the indexes. It's very interesting because VIX is up. VXN is up. So volatility of the Nasdaq is up. Volatility with the VIX of S&P is down. So that's interesting. Interesting to note. But all the indexes are up right now. So Big tech stock is up too. That would come down and possibly test this trend line. Yeah, this is looking much stronger than the NAS. We do have a lot of Fed, a lot of speeches from Fed officials today. Not sure if that'll move the markets at all, though. It's not Powell, so really no economic news today. And we're coming down here on the NAS. Yeah, the volatility on the Nasdaq is pretty high, so I think we might lose this secondary uptrend. It'd be a good area to go long, but I don't like how this candle looks. Delta's responding pretty heavily. Seriously, my charts are just lagging so bad. So we're breaking this downtrend. We can still save it on this next candle. Point control shifted down. Looking good for short. I was going to short this when it broke down, but didn't have the chance. Primarily because my program is very slow right now. I think it's my computer. Let's watch, see if we get a retest of point control. This 21 SMA here. Let's see if we see a bounce. I'd like to see a pullback. So I'd like to see a two-legged pullback, and then that's where we'll probably enter short. Broke this on the 5-minute. Yes, so also breaking down. Like I said, we were overextended. Just barely made a high, or just barely got above the high from yesterday. Then we sold off. So there's that bounce off the 20 we were talking about. I mean, we're still bullish, still above the primary uptrend here. Just pullback makes sense because we were up considerably. That was looking okay. We'll see how this candle closes out. Like Let's see what happens here on this trend line. I say this does not look good on the 5-minute chart. They're just trying to push it up, and sell just came right and took it all the way back down. We'll just be patient though. Could get a retest up here. Could get a retest of this trend line. That might have been the retest, and we totally missed it. Dots was looking like buyers are breaking through. Above point of control. Back below it. So the risk is that we break up from here because we're above point of control. Go up and test the 9 SMA. This candle looks like it's trying real hard. New 5-minute candle opening. Not a big move to the downside here, so it looks like this downtrend is valid. Just wait for this candle to close down. We made a lower low. I'd like to see a retest maybe somewhere up here. We're at value area low. We might bounce from here, but see, this downtrend should be valid. Stopped out. Guess our entry wasn't that great. We come back up here. Just a bummer. Could bounce off a VWAP here. making lower lows, which is a bummer because we got stopped out of this. Just barely got stopped out. Also making lower deltas here. I think we go down to test this. Makes sense to me. Just feel like my computer is so slow this morning. We would have got filled. Actually, no, our take profit was down here. So what could happen is this can close out, come back up to retest this wick, or you completely go down. Yeah, we would have got filled out. Sucks. Should have waited for a better entry. So there's vwap. Doesn't look like vwap's giving us much of a bounce. So we're in valley area from yesterday, which means we can definitely go to point of control. Just all the way down here. 12,300. Yeah, this was such a good trade. It's just a bad entry. Should have waited. But to come into that area down here. I'm interested to see what happens. Dang, just wish this played out. It's quite a bummer. So slow my computer is. Retest value area low. Just barely got filled on that. Look how close we got to getting filled. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. guys see that? Just barely. Trying to be patient. So we're coming into this area where we bounced. I'm feeling a little under the weather for my vacation. See what happens. We're about to bounce off this area or come and test this area. Kind of makes sense for us to go to point of control from yesterday. Market's probably gravitated towards that. Just wish this short played out. We'd be like done with trading already. Came up, took us out. Part of it's like my computer's so slow to enter a trade when I do this. We're right at support here. Bounced off of this. We'll see what happens. Could be a good spot to go long. Still respecting this downtrend, it seems. We'll see though. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait to see how this plays out. If we break this downtrend, I'll look for a long. So I have to be mindful that we are trending downwards. The areas of resistance above us. Looking too promising. So we're bouncing out this area like we thought we would. Here's VWAP. Look how long it took for me to get an order in. It's ridiculous. This may come up to point of control there. This could be a second leg pullback here. Above VWAP. Gonna have to maintain this though. trouble is value area low. We can get back into value area low, we'll probably go up to point of control. I want to give this thing some room to breathe. So there's no way we can lose on this trade. Hope it continues upwards. We're having trouble with this little volume area. We can pass this. Should slide up to this area here very quickly. Buyers are coming in, breaking through a bit. Nice trade entry on this break of the downtrend. Like to see the point of control. I'll move this up. Look how slow my computer is to respond. It's terrible. So we're probably going to point of control here. Like I said, we broke through this area really quick. Trying to give it some room. I try to move this up because invalidation for me would have been break of this downtrend. But couldn't get it up in time. Computer's just lagging so bad today. I don't know why. But it's unfortunate because now we're coming back up. Literally came down, took me out, and then bounced back up from there. It's like the market knows. There's not a lot of enthusiasm on this move up here. So possibly a good area to short would be point of control. Or even valley area high if we get there. Pretty much back to break even on the day. So just gonna reset and try to see what opportunities we get. Yeah, it's so unfortunate. Stopped out, and then we would have made big green today. So we're at point of control. Nice recovery here. And some nice moves up here. See if we break this uptrend up, I would be inclined to go short. Right now we're coming back up pretty strong. That point of control here. There's a battle going on for market soul. Just kidding. Bounce off point of control. Trying to get up here. Did have some resistance here, so we'll see what happens. Again, this, if only this played out, and if only this one played out too. So unfortunate. Here's the break. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. Okay. My computer is just way too laggy. I probably shouldn't have shorted this because we got back into the uptrend here. But we're at an area here where this was resistance. Broke this uptrend. Look how long it takes for me to modify an order. Such a lag here. I don't like it. Delta's getting lower. We're getting nice movements up here. Yeah, it's topped out 460. I think I'm just gonna have to call it, guys. I'm gonna see what the heck's going on with my computer. Strong bounces up. We're completely trying to recover this. Again, wish down here worked out. I was gonna go down here and try to move this to break even, but didn't work out. Computer's too slow. Bounced off point of control from yesterday. Typically, good area to buy in. I also had this uptrend. Oh, sorry, we never made point of control. Bounced off this uptrend. Really good area to buy in. Really nice wick on this 30-minute candle. Still bullish, so it's a good sign. If you bought in here, congrats. Delta's not convincing me though with this move up. Making lower deltas. Try one. See how slow that is? My goodness. I'm just going to move this up. Pretty convinced we come back down. Question is, how strong is my conviction? Shouldn't be moving my stops like this. See, look how long it takes to process an order. Goodness. Just terrible. Someone from Texas is trying to call me. Guys. Just terrible. Should have just stopped trading when my computer was not responding. Really wish I held this, or at least was able to modify it. And market worked out exactly as planned. It's just so unfortunate. Delta's not convincing me that this move up here will continue. Less people are interested to buy up here. This could be a back test. This secondary uptrend. Out to divergence here. It's playing out. Look how slow this is. Gosh. Broke this uptrend. Hanging out very area high. Retest of the uptrend. I'd like to see what happens here at point of control. I feel like we will come down here. Dollar's only down 0.1%. So we're seeing some strength come back to the dollar. It kind of sucks because if I exited now, we'd be only breaking almost even on this trade for the day. Honestly, that's not a bad day. I'd like to see what happens here at point of control though. Should probably slap a trend line on here. Come on. Gotta reboot my computer. Come on, goodness. So delta divergence played out. Moving up while delta was decreasing. Showed me that buyers were no longer interested in prices up here. Delta's almost down to this level down here. We continue to break down. This could be a second two-leg pullback. We'll see. The larger chart, we have a two-leg pullback. Failed to make a higher high up here. Really like my entry, so I'm gonna just try to be patient with this. Try to bring this down to like invalidation points, just in case the market turns. Up 1200. Control, see if we blow past it. Shift below point of control will definitely come down to valley area low. Got some buyers coming in, but still pretty heavy. I think we blow past this, which we are. Good buyers there. Just gonna watch, see what happens. It's a nice reversal candle. Everything inside me is telling me to just get out of this trade. Let's see how this 5-minute opens up. New 5-minute candle here. Just weighing my options here. Do I get out here, or do I be more patient with this trade? See how this minute candle closes out. The reason why I don't want to exit is we pretty much shorted right at the top. No, we should probably get out. See what the market's trying to do. Yes, selling off here, so I'm a bit inclined to keep this now. Let's see how this candle closes out. It's red or green. Closed red. One more minute on this 5-minute candle. Just want to see how this one closes out too. We can flip this red. 30 seconds left. Just being patient on trades is very difficult, especially when you're down 1,300 for the day. So they're trying to flip this green. New 5-minute candle. Got a lot of buyers down here. I'd like to see us go back to point of control here. Check out this bottom wick. There we go. Again, I like where we're at. Shorted at the top of the market. Ugh. Darn. Get a lot of bottom wicks here. I feel like the market would go and run these. Get people out of their positions. We're almost running these wicks, which I do feel like we do run. There it is. So we ran these wicks. Coming back down. Want to control. See if we get a secondary bounce from here. Seems like sellers or buyers. Sellers rejected this area up here, so we're coming down pretty hard. Made a lower low. Delta's really heavy. Back into this downtrend. Still bouncing off point of control though. Like to see us lose point of control, close below it. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Valley area low makes sense as an area to get out. Leave this here. We get stopped out, we get stopped out. We're pretty much break even for the day there. Look how slow this is. Goodness. Right. Hey, coming back from a loss like that, pretty happy with that. Just glad to be green again. Holding up here was really difficult for me. I was almost going to take this trade off up here, but very high. Seemed like the market was rejecting, and stuck with it. Really happy that we got some money on the table. Not sure if this downtrend is still intact. Doesn't seem like it is. You can argue we are flagging. So very well could come back up here, but goodness, just so happy we're green on the day. $1,300 loss to $150 profit. Pretty happy with that. Can't complain with that. Yeah, it looks like we're just channeling now. I guess we couldn't have identified this channel because we didn't have this second test down here. But now that we have it, you can see it's obviously a channel. We could wait and trade up here. A lot of missed opportunities, man. This one was a good, if we just held this, just trailed it upwards. And this one, if we held it, didn't get stopped out, trailed it downwards to at least this one. I was looking to get out, I think it was around here. Would have been nice, about 700 or so. But we're in this channel now. I think we move up to at least this top area again. Above point of control. I'm not too keen on trading anymore because, like, I can't trade when my computer is being like this. I don't know why it's so slow. I don't know what's going on with it. Delta's making lower lows. Yeah, just this delta divergence up here. We're going higher, but delta is making lower highs. Primarily why I went short here. Should have waited. But you know, you never know. Say where would have been a good area to go short. I'm not sure. Could we have held on to this longer? Yeah, but looking as we are still technically bullish on the day, didn't want to continue holding that. It looks like we're trying to break this channel. 1465 on this trade. Just wish that I didn't move my stops on some of these. Actually, it seems like, yeah, this is where it killed me. 615 on this one. This one took a lot of people out, I assume. Last push up, then sell off. Belly area low, vwap. Delta's still coming down. Pretty much in a chop fest right now. We broke this channel. Probably should have held this, but hey, 1300 down. I'll take that. You don't get much opportunities like this where you're down 1300. It's supposed to have been done trading at 900, but this 615, I shouldn't have moved that stop. I gotta stop moving my stops. Stop moving your stops. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for me today, guys. 150 on the day, coming back from a really heavy loss. Computer is just terrible today. It's so laggy. Don't know what's going on. I'm gonna look into that, but really wish that some of these trades worked out better. That's just the way it is. If you guys are continuing to trade, hopefully you guys have a profitable day. Be patient, and yeah, just wish some of these worked out. But hey, another day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a great one. Peace.